Happy Vlogmas Day 1, everybody. Today starts off vlogging every single day. My plan for today was to decorate my room for the holidays, but last night me and my mom took down all of our decorations and this is what happened. We're getting all our decorations down. We're getting the fucking tree down right now.
So wait, here's the thing. Where'd Nick go?
Downstairs.
What? I need help!
This is scary. Oh my god!
I know.
Easy bake.
I offered it to Brielle. She's like, no, I don't really like them. So can somebody take our Easy Bake Oven?
Say hi to Vlogmas Day 1. I'm doing Vlogmas. You're gonna be seeing a lot of this camera.
I got it.
But I don't know if it's gonna fit.
Oh my god, this is our whole tree. This is our...
Let me go that way.
That's our goddamn Christmas tree being tossed out of the attic. I'm fucking dead. This is my dad. He can't help out with all the Christmas because he is a little
Tore my
hurt.
rotator cuff.
Can you see?
I have no shoulder. It's finished.
It's
I know, this
finished.
is
Right now, I was just going through my attic and me and my mom were getting all of our Christmas decorations down. I just wanted the stuff from my room because I'm starting Vlogmas tomorrow. But we ended up bringing everything down. And let me just show you guys what happened on my Christmas decorations from last year. This is like all smushed. It's broken into a million little pieces. This had a little acorn, okay. This little acorn in it. I don't know why I just said acorn, I'm confused. But that's broken. Safe to say all of my stuff is going into the garbage. So for the first day of Vlogmas tomorrow, I guess we're gonna have to go shopping. We're gonna go shopping right now for all of my new decorations for my room and I'm very excited about it. It's like 9 in the morning. We have a nail appointment at like 12:30, so we're gonna go get some new stuff. And then after my nail appointment, we are gonna come back and we're gonna decorate this room. So we're on our way to Target right now with my mom. I'm not gonna show her because I'm not gonna be a little bitch and show her at 9 whatever in the morning.
You're so sweet.
I need a new Christmas decorations. This is my goal. We will see you at Target. We are in Target. Alright, so Jesus. Right now we're looking at frames. Haven't looked at any of the Christmas stuff yet, except for the like dollar stuff or whatever, like $5 and under. Cute, cute, cute. These are mine. No, my theme is silver and white. I don't know what I want to get. I have nothing. We're starting from scratch this year. Can really go any direction I want. And this stuff is catching my eye. That would definitely match my room, but I don't know. This is the jackpot right here. I probably need a tree. What? I'm overwhelmed. Should I get these? Maybe I should get these. They match my other things. Oh yeah. Can I have a venti iced caramel macchiato? Yeah. Thank you. We're done at Target. Now it's time to go to the Christmas tree shop. Is the Christmas tree okay. Is the Christmas tree shop everywhere?
I'm not really sure. I know that it's in a lot of the areas around us, like Connecticut, like different states.
Alright, well, we're going in there. We're here, baby. But it's so pretty. Love it. Here we are.
Glittery. Let's go.
Oh my god, she's gonna be annoying.
Really want to know how that lady in the back had a Target like cart in the Christmas tree shop? Confused. I'm trying to have no shame. It's Vlogmas, but it's a little embarrassing. So people just love to stare when they just shouldn't be. I probably look like I'm talking to myself. That's probably why they're looking. I'm not doing well.
Oh, sorry.
There's just nothing here for my room, I guess.
I haven't even looked at everything yet.
How cute are these?
Okay, she stops and looks at the most stupid things. Definitely don't need a Christmas cup. I need a freaking tray. I totally need a tray. I definitely need a tray. Do you think I need a tray? I probably do, right?
They don't have a sample of it out? It's over there.
Where? This thing? That is the freaking smallest thing. Look at this. This is that. That is the biggest scam. Like, actually, that's actually not even good. That's like the most pathetic tree I've seen in my life. Everything about it sucks.
Oh my god.
Like, I was thinking more along the lines that it would be like the size of me. And I like that. I can do like a little like
Village?
freaking village of trees. Freaking make a forest. We have secured the bags. We have secured bags are peaked, and I'm pumped about it. Thank you. Thank you, Christmas tree shop. Love you. XOXO. See you next year. We are now at our absolute favorite destination. Pier 1 Imports, baby. This is our favorite. I'm gonna buy a pillow. This is the best place in the world. It even smells good. I like this. I love this.
Keep going.
Feel it.
Beautiful. Keep going.
We're done at Pier 1. I only got one thing. I have to pee literally so freaking bad. I'm about to pee in my pants because I drink a lot of water and a lot of coffee, and yeah.
Do you want me to pull in front of Target? You could run and use their bathroom. It's literally right up front. I'll do that because you're gonna pee your pants and you're not gonna be able to
I like have the weakest bladder in the freaking world. If
I have
you
to pee too, but I could hold it.
didn't know. We're on our way to get our nails done now. I will show you them after.
Yeah, it's 2.5 weeks. It's not
Got my nails done. This is what I got. I got like tan and sparkles. So they're really cute. Now we're gonna go home.
I'm gonna go clean my house and decorate. I'm not gonna put the ornaments on the tree. Can you help me do that?
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought, and then I'm going to clean up my room and decorate everything, and I'm pumped about it. First, from Pier 1 Imports, I just got this little pillow to put on my bed. Then from the Christmas tree shop, I bought this. So it's this like little like orb thing I'm gonna put on my bedside table, and it's just like a little light. I also got from the Christmas tree shop this little like Christmas tree set, so I'm gonna have a little forest going on somewhere in this room, so that's cute. All the rest of my stuff that I got is from Target. So I bought these 2 boxes of lights. They're like icicle lights, so I'm gonna put those like on the top of my bedroom command strips, and they're like clear ones. I got 2 packs of these to hang the lights. This light, they light up, so it's this one and then this sparkly one. So my theme for my room is like white and like silver. I got that one, so those 3 are gonna go somewhere. And then I got 2 little reindeer that match those lights really well, and also they match each other and they're really cute, so I'm really excited. It's cute. Cute. Yes, baby. So cute. So we had a little bit of an issue, and I couldn't use the lights I bought from Target because they were so short. So I had these like twinkly lights from Urban Outfitters that are like extremely long. They wrapped around my room 2 times. So I used those instead. I thought they would look weird, but they actually look really cute. So I just finished up doing that. So now I will show you guys my completed Christmassy decorated room, and I'm loving it. I think it looks so cute. So that is going to be the end of Vlogmas Day 1. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for Vlogmas. I will talk to you tomorrow. That's weird. Oh God, this is gonna be a lot. I'm ready for it though. Let's do it, baby. I love you to the moon and back. Peace out.
Yeah, 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 yeah. What's up with all the girl, hey girl shit?